Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch LCD screen from CCFL to our UB35 series LED kits. Okay, this screen is a 10.4-inch with two lamps, one on top, one on bottom. So we're using UB35, two strips, one really tiny new MS610UB, so you can mount it any way you like, or you can mount it at your own inverted locations. Okay, so including 2L strip, driver, 1 6-pin pigtails. So let's take a look at the screen. This 10.4-inch screen, oops, upside down. It's made by Uptrust. They have two part numbers, T-51513D104U-FW-A-AB. They also have another part number which is pretty popular ones, AA104VB05. This screen is quite old. It has a TTL interface. Anyway, to remove the lamp is quite easy for this one. There's this plastic clip, the latch or clip. Okay, so you're gonna push it down this way, grab the wire, pull it out just like that. Okay, it's quite easy. One is out. Do the same thing on the other one. Push down, grab the wire, pull it out. Okay, so let's take a look at this lamps. This one is, see the return wire is soldered to the whole reflector, which is, so that's why the bottom is flat, not like an NEC one. They not square because the low return wire should come out from this side. So this is flat. This is perfect to mount the UB35 series LED. You know, see that? It's perfect. So right now I had to desolder the wire and then just put it back. So I have just desoldered the lamp and pull it out. Let me show you here. I have just desoldered the lamp, pull it out, and then I just mount the UB35 series right here. So basically just peel off the double side tip and put it in, but you have to bend this a little bit, so that way it's done. So just slice right back, same thing. Slice right back on this end. Oops. Good. Okay. Usually I will add a piece of tape on each side to secure the wires, just like this. And then this end you can connect to either one. Okay, doesn't matter. The driver comes with 6-pin pigtail wire, is color coded. Red is for the input voltage, anywhere between 12 to 24 volt. Black is for power ground. White usually no connections for adjustment. Yellow is important. We call enable. In order to turn this inverter on and off, I mean every driver, you need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts. So usually, you know, you can find all the supply voltage on your existing inverter wire harness. In case you don't find any enable voltage, you should short out the new one, this pad, JP5. When JP5 short, then you just need to apply positive and negative to fire up the LED backlights. Thank you for watching.